So today I'll be showing you how to change the default USB configuration for your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you might have noticed that when you connect your Z Flip 7 to a computer, maybe you're trying to transfer files or something, but every time you connect, it gets connected for charging only, and you have to go to the notifications panel, tap on USB charging, and then select transferring files, put in your password, and then it's only then will it allow you to transfer files from this to, or maybe to even to access the internal storage of the phone on a computer. Now, to change that so that you don't have to go through that extra step, you can change the default USB configuration of your phone. And to do that, you're going to have to go into developer settings. So go to settings. Let me just go back to the main settings page. So on the main settings page, scroll down all the way to About Phone. And then under About Phone, go to Software Information. And then go to Build Number and tap on that 7 times. And then enter your password. And that's going to ask you if you want to allow development settings. Tap OK. And now you've enabled developer options. So to access developer options, you need to go back to the main settings page, and then now you should see a new option called developer options. Now it's inside developer options that you want to scroll to the networking section. So just scroll until you get to this networking section. And in here, look for default USB configuration. Tap on that and then select transferring files /Android Auto. It may be on charging phone only, but you want to come here and select transferring files /Android Auto. Now, once you select that, now whenever you plug in a USB cable, it's going to go directly to allow you to transfer files, and you won't have to go to the extra step. Okay, so let's try that. Connected. And now when we scroll, you will see connected USB for file transfer, okay, by default. So that's basically how to change default USB configuration for your Galaxy Z Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.